This is the automation, and as you can see, I know it seems like little bit overwhelming. As you can see in here, it get the website link. Now it's functioning. I use this Google Sheet in order to provide the website. As you can see in here, it correctly added the contact into my CRM system. Hello everyone, I'm Rochelle Pereira from Smartbot Automations, and I warmly welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you an amazing project that I have completed recently. Actually, this is a lead research automation, and this helps me a lot when it comes to saving times, because when I do manual lead research and collecting information about leads, it takes so much time. But with this automation, I only need to provide the website link, then the automation is going to take care of the rest. I hope you will enjoy this video. This is the automation, and as you can see, I know it seems like little bit overwhelming. By the way, do not worry, because this is a very simple one. The concept is very similar in each step, as well as it's very simple. Now I will show you a demo. By that you can have a clear idea how it works and how it functions. First, I use this Google Sheet in order to provide the website. Let's give the website like this. Let's paste the website. Then I will manually run this once. By that you can have a clear idea how it will work. As you can see in here, it get the website link. Now it's functioning and it's collecting information. Let's see how it's working. Now it's collect other information such as about company. While it's processing, I will show you in my CRM system there are only 2 contacts. I will refresh this one for you also. Now it's still processing. As you can see in here, there are only 2 contacts. Now the automation is done, and it created it collect all the information from that specific website and do the research. Now I will show you in my CRM system. Let's refresh and see whether it added correctly into the CRM system. It's loading. As you can see in here, it correctly added the contact into my CRM system. Let's go and see what information does it collect. As you can see in here, it collect the first and last name as the company name, and it also get the phone number, and these are the other information that it collected. As you can see in here, it has about company information. There are so many information, and the company website URL, and that website does not mention their email. Because of that, the bot is not able to collect that one. By the way, it collected the service analysis. The service analysis means it collect all the information about their services, their main services, their sub services, and all the information related to that. And the specialty of this one is, by collecting those services, the bot is making some functions like it analyze our services as well as their services, and it create a list of things as well as the problems and the solutions by mentioning how their problems can be overcome by using ours. By that we can make sure that we are fully prepared for the upcoming meetings or cold calling or anything. And as you can see, there are so many valuable insights. In this instance, I have put my own services like customer service automation and social media content calendars and other sort of things. As you can see in here, it gives how this business can be benefits from my services, and I will show you how it appears in here. As you can see in here, it collect all the information that I mentioned in the CRM. You can see all these information, as well as the company name and the contact number. These fields are empty because in that website these specific ones are not mentioned, and company information about company and their main services. And this is the demo version of that. Now I will guide you how exactly this is working. This is the automation that completed all of that, and I will guide you step by step how you also can create this one, and I will upload the blueprint of this one in my community. As you can see in here, for the sake of this demonstration, I put a manual trigger in here. After clicking on this one, I can start the process, and the first one is Google Sheet. In here, as you can see in here, I have connected my Google account and connected my Google Sheet in order to get that website link. By the way, you can play with any provider that you would like, such as Airtable or any provider, and you can connect it very easily. And if you want to know how exactly you can connect your Google Sheet account, please leave a comment. By that I can have a clear idea what kind of questions do you have, and I will do a follow-up video on those questions. And this is the other part. It stores the website URL, so we can use that URL in future steps. And this is the main part. As you can see in here, it's a tool agent, and I have defined the system prompt like this. It's need to collect contact email, company name, manager name, phone number, and I have given the URL as a variable. Now, as you can see in here, there are several options. I have put the system message in here. This is the system message. As you can see in here, I have given some instructions like I repeatedly say the agent need to collect this information from the website. As you can see, it output this information. As it not able to collect the contact email as well as the manager name, it does not update those information. And as you can see in here, I have given some tools. The first tool is this is the tool that think like when we give this website URL, there are several sub URLs in that exact URL. The thing that this tool is doing is it collect all these sub URLs and pass those URLs into this tool. The thing that this tool is doing, it get all the text in those URLs, pass those text into this tool agent. By that it can scrape all the necessary information that I asked to collect. And this is the chat model. I have connected my OpenAI from Azure. Actually, if you also want to know how you also can get $5,000 of credits in OpenAI, check this video out. By that you can have a clear idea how you also can apply for that one and get these credits. Actually, those ones are really valuable when it comes to these AI automations and other sort of things. And I have given these set notes. By that it can store these information so we can use them in the future step. And the next one is actually all these tool agents are pretty same. The only difference is the system prompt. I have given different instructions so they can collect different information about that specific company. This tool agent is only for to collect about company information. Actually, the thing that I see is I have in the first time I have created one specific agent to collect all this information, and in that time I have faced several issues. The data quality is not good, as well as the more information is missing, and probably the quality is not good. Because of that, I have categorized these ones into three main, actually I think, four main categories. I have categorized this into four main categories. By that, I was able to have more control over the data that I am getting, as well as I can do several things like I can give instructions how the agent should structure these information. By that I can have a clear idea about that. And this is the system prompt that I use in this tool agent, and I have given another system prompt also. By that I can make sure the agent collect information as exactly I wanted. You can go through with this, and I will provide the blueprint. By that you can play with the system prompt and collect any information that you would like. And you wondering what is this tool? Actually, I use this one in order to make the output in JSON format. By the way, if you are not connecting this one with a CRM system and you just need this information to be passed into a database, you do not need a step like this. Actually, I will show this one also. By that you can have a clear idea how I created this one. I have given some instructions how exactly I want this data to be structured. Then I will get the exact output that I am expecting. Actually, this is the next one. In this instance, I am collecting the main services of that business. By that, I can store these ones in order to create personalized outbound emails as well as other sort of things. I have given the system prompt to collect the main services as well as the area of analysis, and I have given the system prompt like this. You can go through with this one and play with it. And I also included the same tools in this one also. That's why I mentioned, even though this seems like very overwhelming as well as complex, it's the same step multiplied into 3 times. And the next one is little bit different. Actually, this is the one that happens magic, because in this instance I analyze their main services as well as my service. By that, the agent know how exactly I can solve their problems. As you can see in here, I have given instructions, create area of improvement analysis, and I have given a system prompt also. In here you can see I have listed my services also. By that, the bot have a clear idea about my services. By using those services, the bot can suggest how my services could help this specific business to overcome their challenges. By that, I can make sure my personalized emails as well as things like if I am going a meeting with them, I can be more ready because I know about their exact pain points as well as how my services can solve them. Because of that, it's really important in here, and I use these ones in order to merge these outputs from one another. And I have used a main one in here also. And the next steps are connecting this one with the CRM system, and I have used this specific code in order to remove these ones. Like as you all know, in JSON we get these line breaks and other sort of things like these symbols, and think like when we passing this information via an API, it gives some issues. Because of that, I wanted to make this full text into a one paragraph, and by this code I was able to remove these ones. By that, I can make sure the API call functions each and every time without any errors. And I have connected my CRM like this. Actually, you can connect this one with any CRM system that you would like. I use Go High Level CRM system. As you can see in here, I have given instructions to the correct API endpoints, and I have listed the data that I want to pass. And if you want to know more how you also can connect the CRM system, feel free to leave a comment. I will do a follow-up video based on your request as well as questions. And that's pretty much all related to this tool. And the specialty of this tool is, think like when we have a correct idea what we are dealing with as well as the idea of the lead, we can create some personalized emails. Think like when we are doing a massive outbound call outreach, we can include these information and create a personalized script, so we can increase the conversion rates. And in the next videos, I'm going to teach you how you can create some customer service automations like AI chat agents and other sort of agents. By that, you can have a clear idea how you will be prepared for this AI transformation in 2025. If you are a business owner that looking to fully automate your business, we can help in that. Feel free to schedule a time via the link below, and look forward to working exciting projects with you. And if you found any interesting facts as well as any valuable knowledge in this video, feel free to like and comment as well as subscribe. That would help me a lot. And I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.